Just like a small business, earning income from affiliate marketing requires discipline, dedication, and patience. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to start the affiliate marketing in 4 steps. So, let's dive in. First step of starting your affiliate marketing business is picking your platform and method. The first step is figuring out the platform you want to build your audience around. Every affiliate marketer has a different approach and platform. There are many marketing ideas you can choose from based on different methods. To choose your best platform, you can ask 2 questions from yourself. Which platform you use the most? Which platform you understand the most? There are a lot of affiliate marketing platforms like blogging, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. Starting with a marketing platform you are comfortable with helps you to create high quality content. This can result in a stronger, more engaged audience you can turn into sales. When it comes to the marketing method, there are 3 methods that you can choose from. First one is creating digital content. This is the method that used by influencers, YouTubers, Instagrammers, and bloggers. They create niche content that resonates with the target audience. The goal is to organically introduce niche products to their audience that enjoy. This increases the chances they will buy and you will earn an affiliate income. Then the second method is review sites. You can review products for specific audiences. This method requires you to create content related to the review space and post regularly to draw in an audience. Then the third method is courses, events, and workshops. If you are an educator, then you can integrate affiliate partnerships to your events. No matter which platform you choose, which method you choose, building your audience and authenticity is the 2 most crucial elements in affiliate marketing. Then the second step is decide your niche and audience. When you're choosing your niche, try to choose something that you're passionate about or knowledgeable about. This will help you to create authentic content. For example, let's say you started a blog about dogs. You own a dog and you are passionate about helping other dog owners to take care of their dogs. Now you can promote dog-related products through your blog and earn an affiliate income. Remember, you are not paid to post. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based revenue method. So if you make sales, then you can earn an income. Then the third step is find your products. To earn an income from affiliate marketing, you have to connect with your audience. You have to find the products that your audience genuinely likes. The items or services you promote need to be products your audience genuinely want. Getting this wrong can hinder your success and diminish your credibility as well as your audience. If you're curious where to look for products or brands to work with, don't worry, there are tons of affiliate marketplaces. Some of them are Affiliate Future, Share a Sale, ClickBank. In this video, I talk more about best affiliate marketing programs. So check this video for more information. Other than using affiliate programs like ClickBank or Share a Sale, you can take more direct approach. If there is a specific type of product or service that you want to promote, then you can directly email to them and ask for an affiliate partnership. Affiliate marketing programs will have terms of services you need to follow. So read the fine print. For example, your link usually will have a cookie with a specified time frame. And some programs don't allow you to purchase pay-per-click ads using the product or company name. Then the fourth and last step is choose your first affiliate program. As I told before, there are lots of affiliate programs out there and you have to do research and you have to brainstorm all these affiliate programs to find the best one for you. A food blogger probably wouldn't promote beauty products. A wide range of other products such as cookware, meal kits, ingredients, or even aprons would make more sense. Also make sure that the product or service you are promoting is fit for the platform you are promoting it. For example, if you try to promote home decor or clothing, image-heavy platforms like Pinterest and Instagram are the best options for you. But if you're trying to promote softwares or courses, then long-perform platforms like YouTube, blog are the best platform for those kind of things. So choose your platform wisely. So those are the 4 simple steps of starting an affiliate marketing. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.